What's up YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today we are going to be discussing the must-have tools for your Breville Barista Express. So make sure you stay tuned, don't miss a good one. Roll the intro! What's up YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today I am going to be going over the must-have tools and accessories for your Breville Barista Express. Now these are not just for the Breville Barista Express, however these are what I have found I have the most success and I enjoy using these tools specifically the most. So without further ado, let's get to the first one. So first, I would say the must-have first tool you should purchase when buying a Breville Barista Express would be a dosing funnel. So there is a couple different options you can do when looking at dosing options. So we have three of them in particular here. So I'm gonna go over them briefly. So first, we're gonna look at the, I might be pronouncing these wrong. I will put these in the links down below in the description box. However, the first one is the Matau. Like I said, I might be saying these wrong, but it's the Matau dosing funnel. And it's stainless steel, extremely good quality. It just sits right into that portafilter. It gives it a fantastic look. Stainless steel all the way around. It's extremely well, it catches all of the static. It is a no mess, no hassle tool that is a must-have. So definitely check that out. Next, we have another dosing funnel, and this one is plastic, so quite a different. However, this one just comes in through here and locks in. Really nice, really neat. It fits right into the actual holder itself, and it is absolutely perfect. I mean, this thing is amazing because of the fact that, I mean, it ain't going anywhere. Now, as opposed to the other one, it doesn't stay on. Obviously, it just holds onto it itself. So, this makes the process even easier because it's gonna put all the grinds in here, contain all of the static and the grinds, and you can really mix that thing up and use any kind of styling tool, which is another must-have that I did not have. And this is just like a styling pen, nice little stainless steel pen, and it's just used for declumping. Kind of mix that up and pop it off, and you have those mounts controlled in there. Easy, no hassle, easy cleanup, absolutely fantastic. Now we're going to be moving to the Crema dosing cup. The Crema dosing cup, they got a nice little etching right there, really nice. The Crema dosing cup is a lifesaver. It's got one little tab, so if you look at the whole thing, it's really nice design, little tab, and it is absolutely wonderful. It has little to no static, so when you go and dump that right in there and pull that up, there's hardly any beans left into the actual cup itself. Very awesome. Crema did a great job. It's extremely easy, hassle-free. Just pop that right on top, flip it over, give it a little spin, maybe a tap, and lift straight up. Absolutely wonderful. Fits right in there, turns it on. Beautiful fit, must have. Go check it out. Gotta buy it. Now, moving over to the tamping and distribution side of things. So, first we have Crema. Once again, they have their all-in-one tamping and distribution tool. This is absolutely fantastic. I mean, just the weight of this thing is incredible. I mean, it's built extremely well. I have enjoyed using this. I can promise you that if you have these two set at the perfect depth, which if you do not know how to set the depth of this tool and you're very interested in buying this tool, definitely go check out a link. I'm going to post it here. And It is absolutely fantastic. And I mean, if you have this dialed in right, I mean, it's going to give you a perfect shot almost every time as long as you have the right grind size. So definitely check that out. Now, moving on to another tamper. So if you like the distribution tool, but you just want to get a distribution tool like this to where it does not have the tamp on the other side, I definitely recommend that you buy this tamp. It is called Lux House. I may be pronouncing this wrong yet again. I am so sorry. Correct me in the comments down below if I'm wrong. However, this tamper is absolutely beautiful. I have had this probably for the last 8 months out of the year that I've owned the Breville Barista Express. And by weight, I mean just the way it fits in your hand. I mean, it just perfectly fits straight in your hand. You can hold it like a doorknob. And you know, you just get really good leverage when actually pulling your shot of espresso. I mean, this is just amazing. Tamping feels absolutely incredible. So definitely, if you're looking for a tamper, go check it out. I think it's about 30 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna go over the prices really quick here. So the Crema all-in-one dosing tool, I think was about $45. The Matao dosing funnel is about $20. The dosing cup from Crema is about $35. And the dosing funnel from Amazon that's plastic is about $30. So now we are going to move on to scales, weighing your beans and also trying to stay as consistent as possible. So we're gonna make this video quick because I don't wanna waste your time. So first we are gonna go over the first scale. You can get this scale on Amazon for about $15 to $16. For what it does, it is absolutely a great scale. Sometimes it gets a little wonky when it goes measurements, like you might dose out 18 grams. Perfect, you go dose it, and now you got 27. So don't know how you get that extra, I don't know how much, but other than that, it is extremely well. It only happens every once in a while, so definitely if you are in the market for a scale, definitely get this. This is an all-in-one. It does grams, and it also is a timer as well. So it times your shot as well as weighs it. So definitely great scale for espresso. Go buy one. Now we go into the more expensive side of things. Unless coffee is your absolute hobby, I do not recommend buying this scale. However, if coffee is your hobby, 100% back you because this scale is amazing. All right, this is the Akaya Lunar Scale. Absolutely fantastic. There's a little tiny rubber piece that just goes straight over it just to protect the actual surface itself. I mean, this thing is beautiful. Very small, compact, fits under the tray very well, and it has so many different options. And I mean, it is just absolutely beautiful and built to last. This is about $2.25 compared to about $15 or $16. So definitely would recommend this if you make coffee your hobby. And it also charges by USB port right there. So on to the next. So this was just a must-have for me. And the reason I say this is a must-have because when you're dialing in your shot, when you're taking videos and you just really, really want to make coffee your hobby and you just want to get into the nitty-gritty of dialing in that perfect shot of espresso, pulling that awesome, amazing tasting shot, gotta have a bottomless portafilter. So this is actually made by Crema as well. So let me give you guys a little look. Absolutely stunning. Got their little etching right there as well. Nice wood grain finish. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, this thing is amazing. I love using the bottomless portafilter alone, only when I am dialing in my shot or for filming, because it can be extremely, how can I put this? Hard, messy at times. However, as long as you perfect your technique, you will have no channeling and coffee won't go all over your walls, your ceiling. Okay, it's not gonna go on your ceiling, but it is fantastic. So definitely go check this out. I love it. You will too. Very amazing tool. It's about $85, I believe, $79, $80 on Amazon if they still have them. If not, you can buy it off the Crema website. So on to the next. So you pull your perfect shot of espresso, you prepare it, you pull it, and now you got these clumpy grinds. And oh man, I don't know how frustrating it can be when you finally get it out, you pull it out, and all of a sudden you got a puck in there. What do you do with the puck? Well, let me tell you, for the first like 3 weeks, I was taking my trash can and kind of just like popping it in there, splattered everywhere, and I had to sometimes dig it out. It was awful. If you have a Breville Barista Express or any espresso machine at all that deals with any kind of puck and portafilter, do yourself a favor and buy yourself a knock box. They make 2 different kinds for Breville, and they make a bigger one, which I have, which is about $35, and a mini, which is about $20. It is a nice stainless steel, nice little plastic insert here where you can wash it. It's dishwash safe. Nice little stainless steel. I mean, this is just beautiful and definitely a must-have when having any kind of espresso bar, because you can just pop that baby right in there, dump that thing right into the garbage, and you are set. Nice, easy, hassle-free, amazing. Now we are gonna go move into mats. So a tamping station. They make all different kinds of tamping stations. I bought a couple of them. I've returned them. They were not good at all. However, I came across a table mat that is absolutely amazing. It is a Correto Tamping Mat. I mean, this thing just fits flush right up against your counter. You can just pop your portafilter there. It is absolutely incredible. It is about $15 on Amazon. Extremely thick. I mean, this thing is thick. It's about as thick as my finger, if you guys can tell. I mean, this thing is built to last, and it is just amazing. Definitely a must-have when buying your espresso bar. Now we're going to go into jugs. So standard that comes with the Breville Barista Express is their Breville jug, which is amazing. I think this is a 12-ounce jug. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. However, this thing is amazing. I froth my milk on both my Breville DualBoiler and my Breville Barista Express with this jug, and it is absolutely insane. I love it. Great feel to it. However, I wanted to really up my game with Latte Art. You can buy so many different jugs, and I'm just gonna pick 2 in particular. This is, I'm not sure what brand this is. It's like a Will Pig, or I'm not sure what it is. I'll put it in the comments down below in the description bar. But this thing is amazing. It's got a huge spout, definitely different to play with. So this is the fun part of having an espresso bar, because you can just play with many tools and see what works for you. Great feel. It has a lot of room in here to where you can just kind of wiggle it in for latte art. Amazing. Definitely check this out. It's about $16 or $18 on Amazon. Definitely worth it. And it's a nice matte black finish. I think you can buy it in white and red, and it's amazing. Definitely check them out. Next, we have one of my favorite jugs, and it is amazing. This is a Dianoo. So this is an amazing jug, and this is a Dianoo. Ooh, hello, friends. So definitely check this out. Very nice, a lot different spout than the other one. You can see huge difference. This one's more rounded up top. This one's a lot more pointy. This one is just totally different spouts. Definitely different to work with. And if you are a home barista and you want to really make coffee your hobby, these tools are an absolute must-have. They are a little bit pricey, however, totally worth it. So if you guys want to see another video or have any other recommendations or any questions on anything that I went over in this video, please let me know. But I'm going to get to one of the last items, and these are not neutral cups. Not neutral cups. I am not sponsored by them. However, these cups are absolutely amazing. They have a great feel to them. They are designed by baristas themselves to have this nice little semicircle on the bottom to where it's not hitting these hard surfaces like a normal mug would. And it's a nice open top part to where it has a nice surface when pouring and showing your latte art design. Folks, it is amazing. I even think the coffee tastes better in these things. I mean, truly. So definitely go ahead and get you some of those. Lastly, it is a Jolt double dual wall espresso shot glass. It comes in a pair of 2. It is absolutely amazing, and I think that these are like $17. These are incredible. They're dual walled, so you can pull your shot and just grab the glass. It's not going to burn your hand. Absolutely amazing. But these are the must-have tools, in my opinion, that are in my home espresso bar, Dylan's home espresso bar. So if you liked all of these tools and you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, make sure to leave that like and subscribe down below. Hit that bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos. I love each and every one of you. I appreciate each and every one of you. This channel is not possible without you from home. I have gotten so much positive feedback from each and every one of you. It is absolutely incredible. So again, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching Dylan's Home Espresso Bar. Until next time, peace.